The best laundry baskets to keep your clothes organized. Doing your laundry can be exhausting, from gathering and washing your clothes to putting them to dry. So, here's our list of the best laundry baskets to help you organize the clothes you want to add to the laundry and avoid mess. Laundry baskets exist in various shapes, sizes, designs, and materials, so choosing one that suits your needs might be challenging. From a heavy-duty laundry basket to a stackable laundry basket, we believe there is a laundry basket for everyone. So to help you find the right one, we have reviewed some of the top laundry baskets to help you make an informed choice. Number 1. Indressme Cotton Rope Basket. Woven using cotton rope, this basket is suitable for storing your clothes, cushions, comforters, games, toys, and art supplies. It is available in XXXL size, measures 21.7 x 21.7 x 13.8 inches, and has various colors to choose from. Lightweight and foldable, the basket's neutral color and design allows you to use it as home decor and place it in the closet, shelf, desk, or more. You can machine wash this basket for easy maintenance. This extra-large cotton storage container can hold toys, games, art craft supplies, clothes, and more. Keep it in the kids' room, family room, or any room in the house that could use extra storage. Fits on a closet shelf, bookshelf, or desk. Handles design, foldable, easy to move and take away. Awesome practical cotton large storage baskets. Soft yet sturdy enough to stand up on their own. Neutral color design, soft material and multi-use design, which will also be a unique home decor addition in your home. Number 2. Caroeas Rolling Slim Laundry Basket. The tall and slim basket is equipped with wheels for easy portability. It is available in multiple colors and is designed to fit into small spaces, measuring 15.4 by 7.8 by 22 inches. With a waterproof PE cover, this laundry basket has an eco-friendly fabric that keeps moisture away, and its mesh cover helps keep the clothes organized. This basket has a sturdy metal frame that is foldable for easy storage and movement and long-lasting. Waterproof PE cover added inside eco-friendly fabric keeps moisture away from square laundry basket. Drawstring mesh cover keeps stuff inside laundry hamper clean and tidy. High-end thin and sturdy material applied to fabric laundry basket, easy for collection and transportation. Metal frame shaped slender and tall laundry basket organizer firmly. Slim shape storage bin easily fits into narrow space. Laundry basket with wheels ensures easy movement. Number 3. Gorilla Grip Large Laundry Basket. The 3-in-1 product works as a laundry basket, hamper and bag, durable enough to hold your clothes even when they are damp without toppling over. It measures 15 by 28 inches and is made from premium 600D polyester fabric to absorb odors while you store the laundry, making it suitable for homes, dorms, and nurseries. It is available in 2 sizes and several colors to suit your needs. The basket's sturdy aluminum handles with foam padding ensure a comfortable grip while you carry the basket around. The most durable 3-in-1 laundry basket, hamper, and bag is the most durable laundry accessory you can buy. It is strong enough to hold your clothes, linens, and towels, even when damp, without toppling over from the weight like most others will. Plus, the premium fabric helps to absorb odors while you store your laundry. Number 4. Oiahomy Laundry Hamper. The laundry basket is made from high-quality 100% handmade cotton ropes for durability, wear resistance, and a stylish design. It measures 25.6 by 19.3 inches and has a capacity of 150 L, 25% larger than regular laundry baskets. This basket is available in multiple subtle colors and has a sophisticated look to complement your decor. The hamper also includes large, soft handles for easy carrying. It is free of sharp edges, making it suitable for nurseries, bedrooms, and living rooms. Best Luxury Laundry Hamper Rope Dirty Clothes Hamper has a pure and beautiful appearance. They go well in any room in your home. The elegant laundry hamper doubles as home decoration and storage container for your bedroom, bath, laundry baskets, and toy storage. Durable in order to provide you with a high-quality laundry hamper storage basket that can be used for many years. We use the highest grade rope as raw material, which makes the basket better wear resistance and durability. You will feel a deep difference at the moment you receive it. Number 5. Homdiy Large Cotton Rope Basket. Made from 100% pure cotton, this basket measures 20 by 20 by 13 inches and is spacious enough to store blankets, duvets, throw pillows, laundry, and more. It is washable and is suitable for machine wash. This basket can complement any room, including a bathroom, nursery, laundry room, or living room. It can easily stand upright to prevent spilling, and you can also fold it for easy storage. This basket is available in various colors, such as blue, black, gray, and white. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.